Healthier Together, sponsored by Regents Blue Cross Blue Shield of Oregon.
In this week's Healthier Together, we're talking about the efforts underway to help people struggling with addiction. Christine Pitawanich looks into a program at OHSU dedicated to improving addiction training for healthcare workers and law enforcement.
Officials at OHSU say the number of Oregonians dying of drug overdoses nearly tripled over the past 5 years, and they're working to address it through a remote learning program. OHSU's addiction medicine specialists are involved with the Oregon Echo Network, which formed to make medical training for healthcare workers and law enforcement more accessible in rural areas. When it comes to addiction medicine specifically, in the 2023-24 academic year ending in June, the program had expanded its reach by almost 65%. You can see here more than 1,100 people from nearly every county in Oregon participated. Here's Dr. Dan Hoover, who heads up the program at OHSU.
So we cover a whole variety of topics with a focus on addiction care. I'd say one of the preeminent or first topics we always cover is stigma and understanding addiction as a chronic illness. A second huge one for us is the medications that treat addiction. We help all of our ECHO participants to understand how to prescribe them or use them in their different settings.
He says 27 law enforcement and other leaders also participated. That's up from the previous year, and it makes sense. The state is dealing with an increase in fentanyl, and not too long ago, lawmakers recriminalized possession of small amounts of hard drugs. Dr. Hoover says he hopes through the program, anyone with an addiction can show up to any healthcare environment and find someone who knows how to treat addiction in a compassionate way without stigma. Christine Pitawanich, KGW News.
To learn more and watch all of our Healthier Together stories, just visit kgw.com/healthiertogether.